connect your Xbox wireless controller to your Android device, you have to open up your Bluetooth. Press on the Xbox button to turn on the controller. Press and hold on this button for a few seconds. The light will start blinking, indicating that your controller is ready to connect to your device. Tap on Xbox wireless controller. Tap on pair. Now your wireless controller is connected to your Android device, and you can start controlling your device using your controller. You can go back if you want to, and if you press on the Xbox button, that will open up Xbox Game Pass. And you can start playing your game. To turn off your controller, you have to press and hold on the Xbox button for about 8 seconds. Your controller is turned off. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you run into any problem or you have any question, comment it below this video and I will always be happy to reply you. I hope to see you again next time.